If you're an Adobe Premiere Pro user, now you can work completely in the cloud, from any computer or laptop and a modest internet connection. Adobe Creative Cloud, both 2018 and 2019 versions, are available on the Bebop platform. This includes the full feature set found within Premiere Pro. The Bebop platform allows for all of the horsepower you'll ever need to edit and deliver in the cloud. This includes NVIDIA CUDA GPU acceleration, which enables more real-time performance than just using a CPU. The Bebop platform also supports tons of popular plugins for Premiere Pro, so you can create without limits. Using fast Bebop storage, you can navigate, browse, and add uploaded assets in whatever resolution you want. Bebop also supports some of the newer features found in Premiere Pro, including dynamic linking, so your projects and media from other Adobe apps on Bebop can be used interchangeably, Mogerts, so you can easily make changes to predefined motion graphics templates within Adobe Premiere Pro, as well as extensions, so you can access third-party Adobe partners within the Adobe environment. Plus, Adobe Media Encoder comes with Premiere Pro, so your exports will be faster and your delivery will be faster because it's all done in the cloud.